everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. It is almost Christmas. It is Christmas this week, or when I'm filming it, it's a week until Christmas, but when you see it, it'll be Christmas week. So I'm so excited for Christmas, if you can't tell. That's why today we're doing a Christmas themed video. And you've probably seen the title and the thumbnail, so you know what this is about. Today I'm going to be using TikTok Christmas makeup filters to decide my makeup look. Currently, I have no idea what look I'm creating today, but we'll find out when we use those filters. That is why I've done my base makeup already, as we are just going to be focused on the eyes, cheeks, and lips today. My creative side makeup is not the best, like I'm not very good with detail, but we're gonna try. I shouldn't knock myself until I try it out, so I should stop rambling so we can get on with this. But before we do get on with the video, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you could subscribe, as it's almost been a year of me being on YouTube and I'm almost at 100 subscribers. And if I can reach it before then, it'll be great. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Like I said, my base makeup is complete, so I'm just going to pin up my hair, and then we are going to go onto TikTok and try out the filters. So what I'll do, I'll go onto TikTok and screen record, so I'll put that screen recording in now. So there you go, you see we're just trying to create some cute little Santa hats on my eyes. So let's try this out. Let's now find the best product to use. Eyeshadow, eyeliner, eye base. I don't know what I got, so let me have a look. So I have a few options. My liner palette, which I thought would be best, has no red in it. So let's not do that. I got the Carnival 3 palette here. We have red in that, but it'd be kind of hard to like get it on to go make it go smoothly. And then I also have a P. Louise base in the shade red, so I think I'm going to use the base to create that shape, and then I'm going to apply some eyeshadow on top to like set it. So wish me luck. Should I squeeze some on the back of my hand and kind of use it as an eyeliner? Don't know how like thick it is. Oh, it's quite thick. I think we can maybe do that. Remember, this is the trust the process kind of look. I don't know what I'm doing, which is quite fun. It's like, it's a challenge for me. Picked up some of that P. Louise base on like a fine liner paintbrush. We're just gonna kind of create a wing to create the hat. So it went something like this. Like that. And then we fill it in. That wasn't too bad, you know. And just fill it in slowly. There it is filled in. And as you can see, it is kind of like running a bit because it's like liquid. So we will set it, and because I've got no other shadow on my eye, I can just like use a Q-tip to like tidy it up. So what we'll do, we'll set it with some eyeshadow, and then we go in with a white eyeliner afterwards. So going in with that Carnival 3 palette, if I can open it, and then we're going to go in with this shade here called Blaze on this tiny like flat brush, and we're just going to tap it into the eye base so we can set it and it doesn't move, and then we can neaten it up with that Q-tip. But oh my god, this is such a bright red. It's so cool. So now that it's set, I'm just going to get some micellar water on a Q-tip. Now I'm just gonna like cut it to make sure we have an even line, because it did crease a little bit as applying it. Just like that, super cute. Now going into the Split Cake liner palette, I'm going to be taking this white shade and making the like the fluffy bits, the ball, and they had like white on the eye there. So I'm going to do that with this. So we're going to create that ball at the end here with the white, and I'm just going to kind of stamp little circles on and slowly build them up. And then I'll probably have to do 2 coats, because as you can see, that red is like coming through, and we don't want that, but just poking it on. So there's the cute little ball. Now we got to draw like what do you call it, with the bit that goes around the hat, that bit. So we got to do little circles of white. So there's one, just slowly building it up, and then we create another one, Probably won't get it exact to how the filter had it, but I think I can make it cute. As I said before, I'm not the best at this type of makeup, but I'm so glad I did this challenge because it makes me practice. So I have the basic shape on there. I'm just gonna make it a bit more white. And there's my little Santa hat on one eye. I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll be back. And here's both eyes complete. I did really struggle to get that crisp white color, but this is as good as I can do. And I think it's quite cute. The next step is actually eyeliner. There's a different Christmas eyeliner filter, but I feel like it could clash with this look. Like it could go over the top. So let's see what we get, but I might not include it. So let's do that. Let's go back to TikTok and... So as you saw, the eyeliner one just didn't work out. Like, I don't want to ruin this look, so we went straight to cheeks. And, oh, cheeks is so out of the box. We're looking at a green blush with some gloves on their hands. One, I don't know how well I can draw some gloves. And two, does it match the look? No. But that's the whole point of this video, it's meant to be funny. So we're gonna create a little green here. Focus on that and then we'll draw the gloves, I think. So for that green, I'm actually going to take the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using this green down here. It was kind of a teal one, so I've also got the color called Reef in the Carnival Free palette. Let me show you that one. Might use the shade of Reef, which is there. Sorry, I'm like juggling everything right now. No, but let's just get that on my cheeks, right? Let's try out this green color first from the Morphe palette. And does that yeah, I think it's too green, so let's try that Reef color. I think that's kind of perfect. So it didn't go out a lot. It was just on like the nose area the most, and then there was like blue and white freckles. So what I'll do the green bit, then the gloves, and then the freckles. Because I feel like the freckles went over it a little bit. So the blush kind of area came out just to about the pupils, like the middle of the eye. So I'm just going to about there, not making it super neat as it's just blush or weird green blush. And then I'm going to try and make the gloves the exact same color by using the same eyeshadow. But I'm going to use Made by Mitchell Swell solution. So this is the Made by Mitchell Swell solution, or it's called like a mix and medium. And what I'm going to do is scrape off some of that shadow and then make a liner. Best way to show you, but what I'll do is scrape some of this off because I don't want to put it directly into the eyeshadow palette because I don't want to ruin it. Now I've got some in there. I'm just going to add 1 drop of this. 1 drop like so, and then I'm going to mix it with a liner brush and hopefully it'll create some sort of greeny pink. There you go, it's working. Then if I test it on the back of my hand, yeah, I think that could work. The difficult part now is drawing these because I'm not an artist, I can tell you that. So I'm gonna draw a stickman hand and then add detail to it. So I think we have 4 fingers and a thumb. This is me concentrating, therefore I'm not speaking a lot. The color isn't amazing. Like it's a bit sheer. I guess that's because I haven't put that much shadow in it. Could possibly build up. And then I think the thumb will come off here. I don't think that's that bad. So it was a kind of a glove that we're trying to recreate. So let's get the hand drawn and then we can add some detail. So there's the basic hand, and then it has like a glove little sleeve at the bottom like this. If you know what I mean? I can, just like that. And obviously it's all the same color right now, so it's like too light. Like, let's add some detail. Taking the Split Cake liner palette, I'm gonna take this light green to add some highlights, and then add some shadows with a darker green. So we want to highlight the middle bit of each section, like each finger. And you might like, whoa, that looks really weird. So now we're going to go back into the original shade, pick some of that up, and then kind of go over the top of those highlights. Like that, and it kind of blends them out a bit better. But I'm actually quite happy with that because the darker colour has already kind of made that shadow for us. So it kind of works out. So I'm going to do the other one, and then I'll be back to add the freckles. So I'm now just adding some deeper shadow to this side of the hand, and then the same on this one, as the filter had a bit more of a shadow. But I don't want to add like lots because I don't want to ruin it. I think they're okay. Now we're gonna add some freckles, so we're gonna use 2 types of greens and a white. So I'm gonna use these 2 greens from the split liner color and the white. This look is hard, and I'm glad we got something a little bit simple. I hope the lips aren't going to be too difficult, but let's just add some freckles. Oh, this is quite a neon green, but we can make it work. There's one. So I'm just mixed that green and some black to make a deeper green. Again, be really careful because if you push too hard on your brush, you get weird line like I did. Now going in with this paler green right here, which we use to highlight the hand with. Again, just little dots, create some freckles. And then lastly, just applying a few white because I've got quite a lot on there already. There we go. I think it's okay. As a look, so bizarre, but I don't know. Let's see if we can make this look even crazier with the lips. So let's go back to TikTok and do the rest of the filter. Can this look get any crazier? We've got red eyes, green cheeks, now we have a blue lip. So it's kind of a faded lip, so we want a dark blue and then a lighter blue on the inside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a P. Louise base. This is the Touch of Frost, perfect for this look, all over the lip. And then I'm going to apply a blue, like dark shadow around the line and then add those snowflakes. So let's take some out on the hand. So I've picked up some of that product on this flat brush and now I'm just going to apply it everywhere. I'm so glad this bit is a bit easier because those intricate line work that we've been doing so far, this is much better. I mean, it would have been good to get a matching look, but this is quite cute. And it's a challenge, so it's going to be fun. And there's that bit done. Now going back into the Be Perfect palette, I'm going to be taking this shade here called The Deep and going around the lips. So I've just got it on a liner brush. And I'm just lining the lips. And then we'll go back in with that other brush to blend them together in a minute. Has everyone got all their Christmas shopping done? I'm not completely done. I haven't even started wrapping presents. I'm so unprepared this year. I really should be doing that instead of filming this. But this is fun and I'm committed to YouTube. So now I've got that colour on there, I'm just going to pick up that brush that we was using earlier and just blending it into the lip. And the last step is to add some cute little snowflakes. So I'm going to be doing that with the white liner and a fine liner brush. So let's add those 3 snowflakes. So taking some of that white colour again. We got 1 on the top lip and 2 on the bottom. So let's add some stars or snowflakes, shall I say? Yeah, that's not the best, but let's carry on. They just look like stars, but it's cute. And let them dry before I close my lids, so I'm going to talk weirdly. But what I'm going to do now is add some mascara and lashes, and then we can review this crazy look. So I've applied the most dramatic lashes because this is a dramatic look, so I thought it was needed. Here is the crazy Christmas makeup look. That's what I'm calling it. I can't believe this is the look we've got out of those filters. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look, and if you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this video. It's unreal. Like, it's really interesting because it's like I'm not just showing you something, I'm also showing myself something. Like, I've never done a look like this. I probably will never do it again, but like this look, obviously, but using those filters is quite fun. So let me know if you did enjoy it as much as I did. Also, let me know if you tried out these filters and got a different look or a better look or like a coherent look, because I think mine is like off the scales. We got Father Christmas or Santa Claus. We've got some random gloves because it's cold, and then really cold lips. So I guess I have gloves and a hat on because I'm so cold. But I don't know, it's pretty crazy, but it's been really fun. So by the time you're watching this, I'm not going to see you again before Christmas. So I hope you have an amazing Christmas with lots of fun and love and get everything that you wanted. My next video will be a Christmas vlog. I'm going to be going to Winter Wonderland and doing a few Christmassy things, so I thought I would take you along with me. So subscribe to my channel to look out for that. And remember, I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers before it's been a year of my channel, so that's in January, I think. My first video was testing Christmas makeup or something. So it'd be really great if you could subscribe. But anyway, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It means so much to me. I hope you have a great Christmas and I will see you soon. Bye guys.